Alright, so my friend is really insisting me to put my MW2 back in my tray. So, I think I'm going to listen to him and just see what this thing does. If it makes a weird noise, then hey, I guess I got it recorded. But here, we're going to open up the MW2 case. Let me open it up carefully. Oh, well, what do you know? It's already out. It's already out of the rings. What? I open up. Alright. Here it is. Dude, Tyler, when I drop the game, there's no weight on the game disc at all. It's... Oh my gosh, this game... Alright, so here we go. Putting it back in. Listen to this baby roar. There she goes. Ew, there she went. There she went. Do you want to bet?